I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. A photonics technology shift now underway will offer a big boost to data center networks and AI. Researchers at California-based Ayar Labs is developing a second-generation optical chiplet and light source they say will push through a main bottleneck, slowing the advancement of AI system architectures. High bandwidth movement of data between compute chips like GPUs and CPUs. While such traffic has typically been routed electrically via copper, it slows the process. The team says their new advancement in optical signaling is a higher-level step forward. The optical chiplets, part of Ayar Labs' Terrify suite, can be packaged alongside a compute chip that converts data traffic on light into traffic on electrons, in turn allowing those electrons to communicate to a system on chip, while also communicating with photons. The chiplet's optical side and subsequent data transfer is powered by Ayar Labs' Supernova remote multi-wavelength light source set up as a distributed feedback laser array. The team says thousands of engineering samples of the chiplets are already being shipped to users for establishing and qualifying manufacturing, packaging, and testing processes. The core technology behind their second-generation Terrify group will be released next year. Optics and laser manufacturer Coherent has sold its gallium arsenide wafer fabrication facility to the UK Ministry of Defence for a reported £20 million, which is just over $26 million US. The 310,000 square foot manufacturing plant, based in northern England, has been used to fabricate VCSELs for 3D sensing devices. Company officials say this move is part of a broader effort to streamline its operations after its laser division merged with II-VI, a developer of optoelectronic components, in 2022. Elsewhere, Gooch Housego, a UK-based developer of advanced photonic solutions, has purchased precision optics manufacturer Phoenix Optical Technologies in Wales. The £6.8 million acquisition is meant to strengthen Gooch Housego's capabilities in the aerospace and defense sectors in particular, representatives say, and to better address complex optical systems requirements. Chalcogenide optical glass can now essentially heal defects within themselves, paving the way for use in space, radioactive facilities, and other extreme environments. An international team led by researchers from Alfred University in New York and the University of Central Florida has discovered self-healing properties of chalcogenide optical glass when exposed to gamma radiation. This type of glass material is now a promising alternative to traditional glass materials for infrared systems, as they can ultimately be tailored for specific applications. The team's discovery came while testing chalcogenide glass made of germanium, antimony, and sulfur for use in satellite circuitry. In exposing it to gamma radiation conditions, like those in space, they found that the resulting microscopic defects were repaired at room temperature. The chalcogenide material exhibited optical changes instantly upon gamma radiation and the subsequent relaxation to a pre-radiation level, which the team says demonstrates self-healing. They're now working to further validate the material's applicability for extreme environments and potentially defense and security applications. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. And check out our Following the Photons podcast too for some really cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.